My name's Eric. I'm the design director at ProtouringTexas. Colton's here today to show you how we've taken an RS SS 68 Camaro and made it a true modern classic.
This right here is a modern classic, done by us at ProtouringTexas. This is a 68 RSSS Camaro. It came in 350 small block, turbo 350 trans. That just wasn't gonna cut it. The bright green paint job needed just a really nice updated setup. So with that being said, it's got Speedtech's full suspension, their control arms, their torque arm, their panhard bar setup, and with that, we needed brakes. It's got Baer 6 pistons, front and back, undeniably awesome setup. Viking double adjustable coilovers. If you look at this thing from the outside, super unsuspecting. Once you get on the inside, once you pop the hood, you floor the gas pedal, that's when you'll know this thing means business. This right here is the jewelry box, and everyone knows the devil's in the details. Everything is tucked high and tight, just how we like it. Front to back, American Auto wire harness, so the whole body's been redone as far as wiring goes. Speartech's controlling the LT4 and the 1090E with all the factory computers and modules in place. This thing drives just like your factory Z01 Camaro. Ultimate headers sent us a set of headers. We still had to customize those, so these are one-off. Holley sent us some mid-mount accessories, and this is a converted wet sump system, so eliminated all the need for any kind of dry sump stuff. Everything on the coils has been relocated and mounted up higher, and it just give it that clean look. Unmatched combination is Detroit Speed for master booster setups, and then the wiper motor is also a Detroit Speed setup. Baer Brakes proportioning valve along to go with these big 6-piston brakes, and then up front, Griffin radiators for that badass cooling, and then the heat exchanger and vintage air condenser are all hidden behind the front grille as well. All this performance is run through a hand-built stainless exhaust. It took a lot of modifications to make this deluxe interior look factory. The whole tunnel was custom fabbed to fit the factory horseshoe shifter and center console setup. We've got these nice Dakota Digital RTX series gauges and the vintage air setup to go along with it. Other than that, the interior of this car is all factory. Now let's enjoy some modern performance. So modern classic, what does that mean? It means a little bit different things to all kinds of people, but in the general sense, this is a modern classic. LT4, 10-speed, all kinds of good suspension. We're just cruising back roads. It's super cold here today in Texas, and unfortunately we decided to do it on a cold day, but vintage air, crank the heat up, crank the blower motors up, and I'm cruising just like you would in any other newer car. And that's what a modern classic is. Then, when you need the performance, you get onto it a little bit, and she's ready to go. This car is function built to cruise and then get after it when you want to. Handle's awesome. It stops on a dime with the Baer Brakes. I mean, it's an unmatched combination. It's just a fun car to drive. Then we cruise.
you or a loved one are suffering from not having a modern classic, call us today, 817-832-FAST.